Hello, we are Team Win from Gilbert Classical Academy, and this is our project for the ASU EPICS High Olympiad, Hands-On Solutions. I'm Hayden Nguyen, the team leader.
I'm Dunnett, the communications manager.
I'm Tim Wright, the design manager.
And I'm Krystian, the finance manager. Gabby is a 4.5-year-old girl who has been diagnosed with Down syndrome and has trouble communicating verbally with her parents and caretaker. In an effort to help Gabby, PT equipment has been proven effective in teaching her movement and motor skills, while pictures, sign language, and choice boards are also effective in teaching her to communicate. Gabby is an expert at using bodily and facial expressions as an alternate method of connection. It has been noted that the family is seeking a cost-efficient aid in helping Gabby's conversational expressions. As communication is a focal point of Gabby's day-to-day life, it is specifically within this field that our project will be founded.
For our second section, we considered potential solutions of which to approach the problem. First, we considered whether or not to use a hardware or a software solution. Second, we had to make sure it was low cost so that the family could afford it and so that they didn't have to commit to a large investment. Next, it had to be easily adaptable to change according to Gabby's ongoing development and her continued learning of communication. It must be portable so that she may communicate with her families and caretakers at any time. And last but not least, it must be easy to use for the family as well. Here are some examples of potential solutions, as well as some example choice boards, which you can see on the right. The first is a software which would recognize sign language. The video noted that this was a skill that she was proficient in. Next was creating a picture board or a choice board, which may be customized to Gabby's liking and feature additional settings as she develops her communication. In addition, photo cards may be used to teach her vocabulary and verbal communication. However, we chose to approach this using a software route as it fulfills many of the family's requests to cost and trial capacity. My partner Dunnett will expand on this in the next section.
Our third section is regarding our solution. Essentially, our software program will be easily accessible, a downloadable application through the App Store. The easy availability of this program to Gabby and her family was a critical aspect of the design. The software that we are designing, furthermore, will be a pioneer in the field of communications. Our software's program's functionality will now be listed. Gabby's app will integrate a Face ID functionality which can recognize facial expressions and further indicate her emotions and conversational cues. The application will also include an easily functional interface for Gabby, one that uses image icon selection and audio recognition to further express Gabby's thoughts. As it offers this user-friendly interface, it will be easily customizable to serve her needs specifically. These icon choices, thus, can be sourced from outside images, furthermore, to be readily applicable when needed. Building upon these features, the app also boasts a notification-based communication system, where parents can be alerted via SMS of Gabby's thoughts and needs, even while away. Tim Wright will further expand on these facets and their rationales within the implementation section.
For our implementation methodology, the user interface can be readily structured for Gabby's needs. This easy-to-use application can be set up by Gabby's parents and caretakers, featuring a mode of operation titled Edit Mode. A selection can be made in the bottom left corner of the main GUI screen, where parents can enter a PIN code and further alter the application's programs. Images and audio recognition can be altered to cater to Gabby's needs, along with facial recognition and its features. We hope this program will be efficient and effective, and we hope that you will support our solution within this Olympiad project.
And from all of Team Win, we thank you for listening to our presentation.